Hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to do a wildflower. Hopefully you'll enjoy. Stay tuned. Hey guys, how are we doing today? We're going to learn how to do this wildflower. It's really quick, easy to do. But first I want you to go down to the subscription button and push subscribe. And of course the bell, so this way you're notified for every time I come on and do a tutorial. Thank you so much for participating and please enjoy. Okay, we will go ahead and proceed by applying a slip knot onto your hook. In today's tutorial I'm using a 5mm hook. Now keep in mind that if you use a smaller hook, of course the flower will be smaller. Versus if you use a bigger hook, it'll make it bigger. I was going to go ahead and use this 3.5mm hook, but I chose not to. Because a little earlier I was trying to do a little quick preview and it was giving me a hard time. So I'm instead of go ahead and we'll just do a 5mm hook. Now we'll go ahead and do a chain 2. After that chain 2 we'll do a total of 7 single crochets in the second chain. Now depending on how tight and how loose you do your tension will also make a difference in how the flower comes out. Okay, once your 7th single crochet is in the second chain, we'll go ahead and do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Okay, next we'll do a chain 1, and then we'll do 2 single crochets in each of the stitches. Okay, we're at our last stitch. We'll go ahead and do the 2 single crochets, which this will give you a total of 14 single crochets. Okay, next we'll go ahead and do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Okay, then we'll go ahead and we'll attach the yellow. Simply by doing a slip stitch. Be sure that you hold on to both sides so this way it does not slip off. Now we'll go ahead and we'll do the pattern of single crochet and two single crochets in the next chain. Okay, we'll do single crochet in this chain here, 2 in the next, and the next stitch will be a single, and then the next will be 2, and we'll continue this until the end of the round. Okay, keep in mind that if you would rather have this taken off, you can feel free to do so. Otherwise you can just leave it and continue on doing. Okay, we'll do a single crochet in that last stitch, and then after that we will do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. After that we will go ahead and attach the gold color simply by doing a slip stitch. Again, make sure you have a little bit of attention so this way it will not slip and slide everywhere. We'll simply do a single crochet to attach it. So it doesn't move, because for me it was moving. Okay, in the next step it'll be a half double crochet. And that is in the same chain. Okay, we will then do a double crochet in the same chain. Then a half double crochet in the same chain. And then we will finish off by doing a single crochet in that same chain. Now that is your first petal. We will skip the next 2 And in the third, we will go ahead and do the same thing. We'll do a single crochet, and this is all in the same stitch. Half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and then the last, a single crochet. And as you can see, the petals are turning out. Now we will repeat that process until the end of the round. Okay, I'm skipping to single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and then a single crochet, all in the same stitch. Skipping 2 more, doing single, half double, a double crochet, half double crochet, and then a single crochet, all in the same stitch. Okay, we'll skip the 2 again and go ahead and go into the next and do single, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and then a single. Okay, you will finish off by slip stitching into the first single crochet. Okay, there you have it. A cute wildflower. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. You have a wonderful day.